Hi everybody, this is George again, with one more video about playing the blues in G. When you play the extended jazz blues form, which I introduced in Blues in G video number 3, you also play a D minor 7 and an A minor 7 and an E dominant 7. You can spice them up too by adding an extra note on the B string. Add an E to the D minor, it's the 9th. Same E sounds great with an A minor. It's the 5th of the chord. And for E7 I love adding a G. G is the sharp 9th of E7th. Reminds me of Jimi Hendrix. Let me give you an example. Please support my channel by writing a comment and clicking the thumbs up button. And subscribe to my channel, that would be great.